Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on, that way, you won't miss a single upload. The new 2022 Alpine A110 gets new infotainment and kit. Alpine's revered A110 sports coupe has been updated and upgraded for 2022, ushering in a revamped model lineup and new technology. The entry-level A110 continues to prioritize lightness and agility. It now tips the scales at 1,102 kilograms dry and, with a weight distribution of 44:56 front to rear, promises efficiency and communicative behavior in all circumstances for undiluted driving pleasure. It continues to pair its 1.8-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, producing 248 brake horsepower and 236 pound-feet, with a 7-speed automatic gearbox, for a claimed 0 to 62 miles per hour time of 4.5 seconds. Output is boosted to 296 brake horsepower for the mid-rung GT, which has a more overt focus on long-distance refinement. It weighs slightly more, at 1,119 kilograms, but dispatches 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds courtesy of the power boost, and is marked out by its bespoke 18-inch alloy wheels, leather comfort seats and upgraded kit list. A sports exhaust and upgraded brake setup also feature. The A110 S, meanwhile, offers an intensely sporty and intensely alpine driving experience. It is obviously marked out from its rangemates by way of an optional carbon fiber aero package, including a chunky rear wing, 18-inch GT race wheels, orange brake calipers and black badging. Unique to this car is an optional orange and black two-tone paint scheme. Equipped with the aero pack and the optional Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 Connect semi-slick tires, the A110 S will top out at 171 miles per hour. Inside, it takes its lead from full-bore track specials, with aluminum pedals, sabled sports seats with racing harness compatibility and liberal use of microfiber. Other tweaks, following the lead of the previous S, include recalibrated and hollow anti-roll bars, stiffer coil springs, a 4mm drop in ride height and hydraulic steering wheel stops for optimal car body control. All three A110 models retain 3 drive modes: normal, sport and track, and Alpine highlights that the automatic deactivation of a cylinder during launch control procedures gives more racing-style sounds. All cars receive a new, Alpine-specific infotainment system modeled on smartphones. It is operated via a 7.0 inches touchscreen and brings Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice recognition functionality. The new system also offers a range of real-time datasets, including traffic and hazard alerts, and a new telemetrics interface that gives readouts on turbo pressure, gearbox temperature, torque, power, steering wheel angle, and acceleration times. As before, there are 3 core models, although what was the A110 Pure is now just the A110, and the Legend is now the GT, while the Hardcore S continues to top the lineup. Prices start at £49,905, £59,355 and £59,955 respectively.